For this activity, you should have two printed pages in front of you, a direction sheet and a page with boxes and numbers. In a few seconds, pause the video and do the following. First, read these directions. Then, begin this activity. You may use any resource you like, but you are not allowed to ask your instructor for help. Work for about 10 minutes on the activity and then unpause the video. So, what was that like? When I have done this activity in class, students usually read the directions and then make statements like, "I don't get it," or "I'm confused." After a few minutes, they may pull out their phones and look for resources, but most students simply give up. This activity was designed to show you the difference between a dependent learner and an independent learner. A dependent learner would quickly read the directions, and if he or she didn't understand them, he or she would either rely on the teacher to explain them or simply give up. An independent learner will read and attempt the difficult work. He or she will look for additional resources, like searching for videos on how to solve monograms, and rely on the strategies he or she knows for completing assignments. It is important for college students to be independent learners, especially when taking online courses. You cannot always rely on others to explain things. You must actively seek out your resources and use the strategies you've been taught. With that being said, you should never be afraid to ask your instructors or anyone else for help when you need it. Just don't rely on them to do it for you. So, what did you do when you paused the video? Did you behave like a dependent learner or an independent learner?